Good afternoon everyone, I am Sebavuram. Today I am making a very traditional and very famous cheesecake. This is baked cheesecake. Normally there is two options for the cheesecake. One is cold without baking and one is baked. So I am going to make baked cheesecake. We can say New York cheesecake also, but I will say cheesecake. I have, first of all I will start with Philadelphia cheese. This is 2 kg and this is flour, all purpose 400 gram, and this is 18 yolk, 18 eggs, and this is sugar 2 kg for the cake mixer, and I have here 150 gram of orange juice and butter, and this is sugar for the 150 gram sugar for cake base, and this is digestive biscuit. Time to mixture my base. I will start with biscuit crumble. This is most important and key ingredient, and this is sugar, and this is butter. I will not put all the butter together. First I will mix, then I will put all together. If need, I will put, because whatever we are putting, we don't need to mix together. We need to keep little bit balance. If we need, then we can add. Otherwise, sometimes if little bit more, then we need to measurement, then it will be long process. So whenever you are working in the pastry, measurement, time and temperature is the most important. So always do make sure you need to do in a proper way. I will add little bit of more butter here. This is the base, which is we will put in the tray before we keep it out cheesecake mixer. Cheesecake mixer base in the cake ring. I will not put all because I want to make in the two tray. I will divide into two. Because we need to keep equal quantity, otherwise recipe and our cheesecake will be up and down. It will be not good quality. Okay, I will divide little for the both. Then I will make the balance. I will fix my machine inside the machine. Before I close my machine, I want to add all the sugar here with the cream. Then I will close this. Time to switch it on my machine, and before I start I need to check this, because this is if I will keep it in the high, my mixer will be not good. So always I need to keep it in the medium. I will start now. My cream and sugar is mixing. Before I add my egg, I want to mix all my mixer together and make sure all the mixer is mixing properly. Otherwise, when I baking cheesecake, half cheese will melt, half cheese will not melt. So cheese quality will not good. So I will keep it in the running between 10 to 15 minutes. When my cream consistency will be fully cream, then I will put egg and I will add flour in the last. This is the time to add my egg in the mixer. I will not put all together, I will put it in the 3 base. So I need to, when I add my egg, I need to reduce my mixer speed. Before it was in the medium, now I put it in the low. Time to add my balance egg in the mixer. My cheese, egg and sugar when mixed properly, then this is the time to add my orange juice here. Before I add flour. When all the mixture will mix properly, then I will put flour. Time to add flour in my cake mixer. I can keep it like direct also, but but all the flour will fall down here and there, and all the area will become dirty. So we need to work clean. I will keep it this machine in the running between 10 to 15 minutes, but this is always depend on your base, how much base you are keeping, and depend on your machine size also. My cake mixer is ready, so this is the time to transfer in the tray. Now I will put my mixer half here and half here. I will start with 4 ladle each. Now I will put it, my oven is hot already. This is nice hot. I will put it my cheesecake base. And I will keep it some gap. And before I close and before I fix my time and temperature here, I want to keep some water here in the bottom. Reason of keeping water in the bottom, if we will not keep water, then our cheesecake base will be burnt and the cheese become black. Now I will set my temperature 170 for 1 hour. My baked cheesecake already ready. So this is the time to take out from the oven, and I will keep it in the blast chiller 90 minutes. Then I will put it in the freezer, otherwise chiller. My cheesecake is ready for the serve as well. I can say for the plating. First I will do plating, then I will serve to guests. This is my cheesecake, which is I made before. Now I will cut it in the size how I want. This is the size which is will serve for the a la carte. This is one portion. When we do plating, we can do so many things as per our menu guest request. But now I have blueberry purees. I'll put just in the middle. And I'll put just line. I'll put it my cheesecake on the middle. Just little bit on the top also. And little bit strawberry. And little bit mint also. This is my cheesecake, as well we can say baked cheesecake also, and as well we can say New York cheesecake. Thank you for watching, and keep watching my video and recipe, and this recipe from our executive chef Terry Glass. And I want to say thank you to my executive chef. Thank you, and keep watching my video and recipes. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.